Hello you guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been so long since I've posted a video. It's been 2 weeks, which feels like forever. So I've had a super busy couple weeks. My mom flew in from Seattle and obviously Thanksgiving happened. Happy belated Thanksgiving, you guys. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday. So it's been super busy. And I'm back. And I'm going to keep posting. Don't worry, guys. I'm not done with my dumpster diving. I've only just begun. So these next couple videos will be with my mom because she was visiting and she's actually gone now. She was here for almost 2 weeks, but she's gone. Love you, Mom. Miss you already. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's kind of just a collab of like all of the different videos that we did. Like morning and night, dumpster diving. Actually, I think I'm going to put all the night ones together. Like, because it's kind of just, I don't know. It's all scrambled. So, if you see us in different, like, settings, that's why. Because it's just a bunch of videos together. So, I hope you enjoy this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I hope you enjoy. Oh, cute. Okay. It looks like, I think, what are those, like ornaments?
It looks like just a decoration you set up.
A lantern.
Oh my gosh.
So cute.
The glass isn't even bow?
$50. Oh my gosh.
Here, I'm going to put that in the car.
No, the glass isn't even broken.
That's crazy. That's so adorable. Oh, that's broke. Do you need another one of those?
No.
What was that?
Choo-choo train, popsicle sticks. Those are good for crafting. A frame. I'm just gonna start putting them down there. Ooh, frames. Lots of hollow frames.
Well, you want me to hold it? Or just
No,
hand
just
it?
take the stuff.
Okay, I'm going to take this garland.
Oh, so cute.
Take that ribbon
I
off.
love it. Hey, we might be able to use this ribbon for wrapping presents. Seriously. Okay, guys. Just picked up my mom from the airport. Hi! This is Cody Hart, the one that's always in my comments. She's my #1 fan on YouTube, so everybody show some love.
That's my baby.
Show some love for my mama. We just hit up our first dumpster, and our first dumpster was Michael's, and so far we got that.
How pretty it is. It's not even broken. The glass is not broken. It's not dented. It's got a beautiful little door.
Super, super cute.
It's in perfect condition and was just laying on top.
And show that price tag.
50 buckaroos.
It's right on the front.
From Ashland. Normally 70.
Is it showing?
Like, that's crazy.
So crazy. And then we got like a garland. What is that called? A garland?
Yeah,
or
garland with the lights and the pine cone. It's really pretty with red ribbon on it. Gorgeous.
yeah, so
I'll just show you more
we
later.
did get a pretty good score at Michael's, and we did check a couple other dumpsters, but
Looked like somebody got there before us.
that's what we're thinking. Somebody else must have been checking dumpsters because it is 1 in the morning.
Yes. So next time I have to get here a lot earlier so I can go dumpster diving with this girl.
But we will be doing a lot more dumpster diving videos
now that
while
I'm
she's here. Yeah. And
just because I like to be a part. It's so fun.
It is.
And I don't get to do this where I'm from. They don't have that.
Mom lives in Seattle, and so she flies out here every like 2 to 3 months. She was here when baby Lucia was born, and so she's back, and we love having her. It's so much fun. My mom's my best friend, so
Aww,
I'm so excited.
That's what she says now.
Yeah, right. Everybody's gonna be able to tell that my smile is so much bigger now that you're here versus normally when I'm recording. But
that's good.
Yeah, so we're gonna have so much fun.
And I'm so thankful for everyone that's always telling my baby to put on gloves, don't do it at night, be careful of the kids. We need all those comments. I mean, I need you guys to be nice when you say it, because she's just very young, you know. And sometimes when we're young, we think we can do everything right, that nothing will happen to us. But I'm so appreciative of everyone that also warns her, because when it just comes from mom,
I'm like, okay, Mom. Yeah, I know, Mom.
So I'm grateful that people say that, but now we just got to say our prayers for her.
Yeah. Pray for me, guys. Hashtag pray for D.
We'll pray for you.
And you guys, it's my mama's birthday almost.
Saturday!
Woohoo!
Happy birthday to me.
We're gonna go get her some presents from the dumpster, and we're super excited. That's gonna be so much fun.
I didn't even think of that.
Yeah, girl. That's gonna be so fun.
We're also going to go get a massage and I need a manicure super bad. I just took off my nails, and we're gonna get a pedicure. So
Oh, man.
you guys have a good night. See you soon.
There's a smile. We're having a girls' day, huh? Yeah. We're having a girls' day.
Okay, guys, we are back in fireworks, and it's the night before Thanksgiving. So we are doing pre-Black Friday shopping at the dumpster, and we found some stuff. I think this is it. We're still kind of looking. Momma Bear is
So
still
heavy.
looking.
Cardboard.
I think that's it though. This shark vacuum,
And it's fairly new. It's all clean and everything. And I have a shark at home, and it's amazing. Amazing. Best vacuum I've ever had. I've never had a vacuum, but it was so great.
and I'm in here trying.
And she's got there's a box in there that goes to the vacuum. So you got to get that. Oh, there you go. Ugh.
Whoop, whoop. Yeah.
It's so dirty.
Yeah.
That's what's up. If you got the box to it, yeah. Pet Plus, because we're right behind Petco.
That's
So,
crazy.
is that the same one though?
It is.
It is, because it says rotator. Yeah, but how come it doesn't say anti-allergen on the back?
I don't know, but
I mean, on the front. It looks literally new.
yeah,
though.
it looks like it was
Look at
used
the
a couple
hose.
times.
It's literally
Hurry,
new.
let's get it in the trunk. I'm hurting my crotch.
Right on the dumpster.
Oh my
Right
gosh.
on dumpster, girl.
Okay, so we've been looking for Christmas trees.
No,
We don't-
well, you've been
No,
looking
like we've been
Online.
looking out for Christmas trees, looking online for Christmas trees, and there's a Christmas tree. So we're gonna try to hurry up and get it as fast as we can. I think it's a Christmas tree.
I don't know. It just looked like greenery. But who knows?
I'm pretty sure.
If it was a Christmas tree, that'd be pretty unbelievable.
Because we were wanting to buy one tonight.
That does not look like a Christmas. Oh, there's more pieces.
There is more pieces.
Okay. And it's like got a tag. There's A, part A. And it's in a box, so you never know. Honey, just grab them out piece by piece.
It is Christmas tree.
It is a Christmas tree. This is insane. It's a freaking Christmas tree.
A giant.
A pre-lit Christmas tree. This looks gorgeous.
Oh, and there's a freaking cool box with it.
A cool box. The
Like
box
no, like a.
Oh, okay. Oh, a box, a planter. Oh, it might be like an outdoor type thing. Okay. There's that piece. Oh, let's hope not.
I don't think it is.
I don't think it is. Looks like it's just maybe, who knows?
Nothing.
Maybe it did.
Oh, it broke a little bit on the inside.
I don't know. Yeah, because maybe it was supposed to be like down deep in there.
Okay, so this is the Christmas tree make and model. Sweet. Okay, I'm out of here. Okay, we are at Pier 1 and Michael's, and inside the Michael's.
Oh, there's somebody.
Oh,
Here.
it's a street sweeper.
Here.
Sweeper was driving
Before you
by.
call somebody.
Okay. So we're seeing some flowers and whatnot. We're just gonna try to grab as many as we can. Maybe find a box to put them in.
Want to get in?
No. I want to put this other glove on. Grab this and get this out of the way.
Pretty big box.
Jeez, well, please.
It's a noisy night. It's very windy out here tonight.
This thing keeps getting me
I
stuck.
know, that's why you might want to get in. It'd be quicker. 5 minutes in versus 15 with 1 by 1. Honey, just get in.
I think that's probably it.
Found something.
What'd you find?
Looks like something for an owner of a turtle.
An owner of a turtle?
I'll let you look at that.
Okay. Oh. Hey.
Look at the price tag on it.
Okay. That's interesting. Turtle Island. Okay. Interesting. Let's see if we have a price on it. Not that I see. Size medium. I don't see a price on it though, but it's in there. It's pretty cool. wonder if it's broken.
I said I see something else that's brand new. Looks brand new. Might be like food or something. Probably not worth very much.
Do you need my help?
Yeah.
Turtle food!
For the turtle. Perfect.
Yeah, now we just need a turtle. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up because I need it. I need the thumbs up. It helps my channel. Please make sure if you haven't already, please subscribe. That really helps my channel grow. Looking at my analytics, it looks like, I think it said like 68% of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Do it. Just do it. For the love of D, just do it. Okay. Oh, and while you're down there, hit the bell so that you know when I post a video. And I will be posting videos more often, you guys. I'm sorry, I know I've been slacking, but I will start posting more often, okay? Alright, so now that that's out of the way, see you in the next video.